My J hook's not the greatest, so it's gonna twist. That's high speed. The noise is just that, but it draws this much on high. It doesn't really have any other speed changes besides the vary or triac part. Let me get that. That's better. This is it. Let's see how low it can go. I think that's as low as it will go. It still moves a lot of air for how slow it's going. It's a little loud in my opinion for the motor, but I don't know. It's kind of annoying. But I think I could get used to it running it. But I polished up the brass and everything because, or the brass plating because it was really dirty. Now it looks much better. There's the watts, power factor, the volts. And then I will cut it off. This is a really long spin down. It's a little off balance. One blade's up. But it doesn't shake that much, so it doesn't bother me. It used to have some globes on it, but they broke when I was taking them, getting them. They broke, but they were really cheap, so I didn't care anyways. They're like 2 globes or something. That noise is the water fountain for the cats. There's a really long spin down time. Okay. There, now it's in reverse. I don't think I'd ever use it in reverse like this, but that's how much it draws in reverse. That's the amp, or the watts. Power factor, actually a pretty good power factor. It's almost like a heater. You can see it's moving all those. Let's turn it down. I'd probably use it at this. Probably at that. For downdraft. And it just reverses, but it's kind of a long video. Okay, you've already seen the spin down, but let's cut it short there. But that's the serial number. And then we go over here. There's the tag. And this is after it's been cleaned up. I cleaned the screen, glued it back on and everything because it fell off. And I thought it would look better with that on there. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And this is the Ritz fan, or the ceiling fan. It's going to be going in my room, but I'm going to have to cut the down rod. And it looks like it has some wear on it, but I'm going to cut the down rod, drill a hole through it, so that way I can mount it to my ceiling. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, because this is way too long.